So I started today off with a workout, why I'm bright red and my hair's looking like this. It's disgusting, but it's a good disgusting because it means I'm losing weight. But I'll show you on my Apple Watch how long I did. This is everything I did, so the other bits, what says other, is the stretching. And then I did nearly 2 miles of running, or on and off running. Then altogether I did 54 minutes and burnt 300 active calories, and in total I burnt 374. So it's been a good workout. Now I'm gonna go and get a shower. I need to tidy my room today and we'll see where the day takes me. Just been on a walk with Teddy, can you tell? So today's gonna be hopefully the day I hit 10,000 on TikTok. If so, this is gonna be a exciting vlog. But yeah, I'm only 200 away from hitting 10,000, so I'm gonna make loads of TikToks today. But before I do that, I need to clean my room. We need to do the to-do list because I need to edit this vlog as well after I finish vlogging my day, obviously. I need to put away clothes, tidy my desk, just made my bed. But first of all, I'm gonna go and get ready, and it's gonna be an exciting day if we hit 10,000. And I'm so excited. I believe we can. Manifesting it. We are gonna hit 10,000 on TikTok today. Daisy! Daisy! Daisy's on the next walk. Clever girl. So now that I've walked the dogs and I had my lunch, I had I forgot what it's called, but you saw what I had. And now I'm going to tidy my room because it is a mess. There's clothes everywhere, clean clothes. I wanna say, well, they are clean. Just want to clarify it. That's the word that I was trying to say. And then I need to clean my desk. And then I'm going live on TikTok. Because like I said earlier, we are so close to 10,000. And when you hit 10,000, that's when you like officially get paid from TikTok. I know it's only a couple of pence, but I'm so excited I'll be officially a TikToker. Like officially a TikToker. Oh, I'm literally going to be so excited. But yeah, I'm going live later on because of that. But before I tidy my room and do everything else that I'm going to be doing, I do want to talk about this topic. Sorry if I'm a bit shaky. I'm holding it in my left hand. And I could actually just hold it on there, but I don't know why, but I feel like I want to use my hand. And I don't use my left hand that often because of cerebral palsy. But I'm actually going to change it because it's actually doing my head in that it's shaking. So what I want to talk about is someone who... See, I don't even know how to bring this topic up. Because it's June, Pride Month, it's kind of a weird topic to talk about. I personally don't think it's in the LGBTQ, but you could stand that it is. Now, I'm not a homophobic person. I have friends who are in the LGBTQ. I know someone who's transgender, and I follow people who are like lesbians, gays on TikTok or YouTube, but I know like friends and that who are. So just a quick disclaimer in case it does, but I hope it does not come off rude. But I do really want to talk about this. One, it's been Pride Month, and two, it's so discriminating to the disabled community. Now, I'm going to put a photo here of someone. I saw this TikTok on TikTok, and this is where I realised. Now, that was the photo. I'm not going to put the full on video because I would have tried to crop that just to the photo and not to the person. But this is ridiculous. That like I said, I respect people who don't feel like they're in the same body or don't feel like they are who they are. Like if you are in a guy's body or if you're in a girl's body and you feel like the opposite sex, that's all understandable. Like I fully understand that. But being able-bodied, I don't think able-bodied people realise how much someone who is disabled, whatever disability you have, how much we would like to be in your body, even just for a day. Because even though some of us like me don't have that, I have that many disabilities, but they don't look. I have disabilities, I've got 4 disabilities, but they don't affect me as much as other disabilities like Down syndrome, severe cerebral palsy, CF, what's the AHD, I don't know what, I can never pronounce that, like autism, that's the one I'm thinking of, autism. Like obviously my disabilities affect me more than other disabilities probably, but also someone else's disabilities affect them more than my disabilities affect me. Hope that makes sense. And for someone wanting to be disabled, like feeling like you should have been disabled. People, there was a girl on the video, the girl who was talking about like this going on, she showed a picture of a blind girl and she put, oh, I forgot what it's called. Okay, so I just watched the video back and pretty much they are called transabled. So they don't feel like they're in, they feel like they should have been disabled. Now, I don't know if that was come off being nasty to the transgender community, but I have no hate on transgender, but it's more the fact that non-disabled people want to be disabled. Like, and this woman, what I'm talking about, the woman who's talking about it shows another woman who is blind, and she put bleach in her eyeballs, in her eye, because she felt like she should have been blind. What? Like, I'm trying to be so considerate here, because obviously it's been Pride Month and I don't want to take any offence to anyone. Like, I generally do support you guys. If me as a disabled person could gone non-disabled, people will be like, what? How? Why? I understand that more, but I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm just like, I just want to speak about it, and it's so weird, to be honest, that people feel like they should have lost a limb, feel like they should have brain damage, bleed to the brain, feels like they should have not muscles in their hands, feels like they should be in a wheelchair. Like, there is people out here who are not living the best life because of the disability. There is people out here who are in a wheelchair and smashing life, but I bet they would rather be out of that wheelchair and being able to walk. Yes, I always say on my TikTok and on here, my disability has gave me the hard work, determination, and I'm so driven to follow my dream and get a job. It's taking me years. I still haven't found a job, but I know I'm gonna get there one day with my disability, because that is who I am. Whether people like it or not, disabled people have a full different personality. Their disability is not their personality. It's not their trait. It's not their personality trait. Or is that what you call it? I don't know. But I always say I would not be the half of my personality if I didn't have my disability, because I would not have the determination. I would still have determination, but just not as much. Like, when I stick my mind to something, I stick my mind to it. I know I'm going to do it, and I like to prove people wrong, to be honest, because in the disabled community, you get loads of people saying, you can't do this, and you can do this, and you can't do this, and it's not their choice to tell us what we can and can't do. I'm not even in the middle of the screen. I've just talked a load of rubbish here. Well, it's not rubbish, but I really want to talk about it more on my YouTube channel, because I talk about it loads on my TikTok. I got a comment one time on my TikTok live. They came on and went, "You're brave." Why? That was my answer. Why am I brave? Because you're coming on here spreading awareness to disabilities, and I don't look disabled. I don't look disabled. I'm sorry, I didn't know there was a look. Or you sound disabled. Like, I get comments of, why do you speak like that? That's why I spread awareness to say, you do not look or sound disabled. You don't have to look or sound disabled to be disabled. Yeah, obviously there's people who look or sound disabled, but not every single disability you look or sound disabled. And I just need to talk about this more. I've just had a massive rant about the disabled community, but I really wanted to put it on another platform on top of TikTok, because I don't think people know how much some people in the world want to be disabled, and I find that crazy. You want to put yourself in pain in a way. Sometimes being disabled can be painful. I get muscle pain, and that's not nice. Other cerebral palsy people get probably worse than muscle pain than me, because they're sat in a wheelchair because they can't walk. And then there's people who have illnesses that are disabled. Like, an illness can be a disability as well, and they sometimes need to go to hospital and get injections for something or medication, and some of that cannot be nice either. And the fact that someone wants to put themselves through that, someone wants to not see this beautiful world, and they put themselves through putting chemicals into your eyeball to not be able to see this world. And what is the benefit? Generally, what is the benefit? What are you getting back? You're getting back troubles. You're having more troubles than you used to have. You can't do as much as you used to have. I generally don't see a positive. Let me know in the comments if you think different. Once again, I'm not being disrespectful to the actual LGBTQ, like transgender, LGBTQ and that. I support you guys. I know people who are in the LGBTQ, but when it comes to transabled or whatever it's called, I can't remember, I happily to say I'm not supporting that. So disrespectful. to the actual disability community, who the people who are actually disabled or become disabled because something happened, a medical procedure or something. Sorry, my camera cut off, or my phone ran out of like memory, so I deleted loads of videos. But what I'm trying to say is the people who become disabled over time didn't make themselves well, I would hope there is some people out there who become disabled without making themselves disabled. So me thinking people out there who have generally made themselves disabled, and you will not know. You won't know who made themselves disabled, and that is why us disabled people don't get as much respect as we should, and why people just assume things when it's not true, because you never know who is actually disabled or made themselves disabled, or who is jealous of the disabled community and they've made themselves disabled because they think there's more benefits than there isn't, if that makes sense. But I'm gonna go and tidy my room now because I've been talking for like half an hour. Let's go tidy my room and then I'm gonna go live on TikTok. So I've just finished editing this vlog, so I'm just ending it now. It is the Mexican day. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let me know if you like this type of vlog. I talked more in it than doing anything else, so I would not talk as much, but let me know if you like me chatting about just what I'm thinking on that day, or do you prefer more time-lapse? Let me know. Hope you have a good day, good morning, or good afternoon. Bye!